Hey guys, this is John Bretza, Director of Product Development for OKUMA Fishing Tackle. We have some exciting new products for you for the 2020 season. What we did, we listened to your requests in the market, and we introduced 3 new models to the award-winning EPIXOR series of spinning reels. First, we have high-speed gear ratios. We're introducing a 30S and a 40S. The advantage here is that it's got all the same specifications as a regular EPIXOR, with the only addition is going to be the gear ratio. It's going to be a 6-to-1 gear ratio, and on the 30S, with every turn of that handle, you're going to bring in 33.4 inches of line. When you go to the 40S for the inshore guys, with every turn of that handle, you're going to be bringing in 37.1 inches of line pickup. The other new addition we have this year is what we call a 55P. The 55P is going to represent what we call a power handle. It's got the large oversized EVA ball, and that's going to be real nice for the inshore anglers. The 55P is going to retail for $89.99. Again, 3 new additions for the EPIXOR award-winning spinning reel series. If you want to find out more information about these new models, check it out on OKUMAFishingUSA.com or check it out at one of your local retailers.